Good evening everyone. I am Babita Jana. I have discussing structure of an atom. First introduction of history is atoms. Okay, atoms was discovered by John Dalton. He proposed the famous atomic theory in 1807 and atoms are fundamental unit of matter. The existence of different kinds of matter is due to different atoms consisting them, and many scientists worked hard and proposed many models for the atoms. Next, what is atoms? Atoms are building blocks of matter, sort of how bricks are the building blocks of houses. And atoms are made up of three types of particles called proton, neutron, and electrons. An atom has central nucleus with protons, neutrons in its. Next discussion structure of the atoms. So protons have has positive charge and neutron has neutral charge, so no charge, and electron has negative charge. So proton represented positive and electron represented negative. And one atomic mass unit, it is AMU, it is short form and found in the nucleus. And electron is it is mass is very small. An atom has same number of electron and same number of proton. Next discussing periodic structure of atoms. So periodic structure, this table show in all atoms are there and we are calculated all atoms, atomic number, mass number, atomic symbol and easy way. So example, it is this: N. N is the symbol of nitrogen, and 7. 7 is the atomic number of nitrogen. Next, how are calculated proton, neutron and electron relation? So number of protons equal number of electrons and number of protons equal atomic number, and number of protons plus number of neutrons is getting mass number, and number of neutrons equal mass number subtract atomic number, and it is showing A is represent mass number and Z is atomic number. Next discussion on question. Helium atom has an atomic mass of 4U and 2 protons in its nucleus. So how many neutrons does it have? So helium equal 4U. 4U is mass number. Mass number is, so mass number equal proton plus neutron. So mass number is 4U and proton is 2 plus neutron is. So neutrons equal 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 neutrons. Electrons are distributed in a defined path around the nucleus are called shells or orbit. This concept was introduced by Niels Bohr. Okay. According to Bohr, different electrons revolve around the nucleus in their own different orbits. So, orbits or shell, it is represented K letter KLMN. So K is first cell. It can have 2 electron, and L is second cell. It have 8 electrons, and M is third cell. It have 18 electrons, and N cell it have 32 electrons. And so maximum number of electrons its structure, its formula is given 2n square. N is orbit number. Okay. So it is showing that K is 2 dot 1 square, 1 is orbit number, then it is getting 2. Okay, this type it L, M, N. Next discussing one question. Write the distribution of electrons in carbon and sodium atom. So carbon atomic number, its carbon atomic number is 6. C equal, so C is 2, 4. So K cell and L cell. And sodium is atomic number 11 and it is atomic symbol Na. This 2, 8 and 1. And 2 is K cell maximum number of electron and 8 is L cell maximum number of electron, and M cell is sodium M cell is 1 electron. Next discussing one question. If K and L cell of an atoms are full, then what would be the total number of electrons in the atom? So first cell K cell is 2 electron. Next cell is 8 electron. Okay. So maximum number of electron 2 plus 8. So it is total 10. Okay. End my discussion. Thank you.